Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom form when someone is checking out of your store or they buy a product. How to set up a custom form as soon as they click on that product to purchase so you can get unique information from that user for any specific product on your site. So here we are on my demo website, and on this site, I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing I want to say is I'm going to walk you through it right now, but there's two places you could do this whole form thing that I'll talk about at the end. So if you still have questions, stick around. I probably will answer them at the end if it's not just about the form, but some of the user experience. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do here is go to Pages. And then once you're in Pages, go to your actual store. Just look for the cart icon wherever that is, and you want to find your products. Once you're in here, if you have categories, it'll look like this. Just click all. But once you're in, it'll look like this. You'll have all your products listed. So once you're taking a look at this, you can click into the first product and click this three little dots and then hit edit. Then from there, you scroll to the very bottom. This may change because they're changing this page quite often, which is a good thing. But down here, it says checkout and it says custom form. So click on this. Now, this UI experience is not the best in my opinion. Like the grays are hard to understand what's happening. But when we're on this page, what you want to do is hit create new form. Then from here, you want to work through a few things. So you want to give this form a title, and we're going to call this digital download, for example. Oh, and bear in mind that the user will see the name of the form, so just bear that in mind. Now we could add in form fields. Basically, any form field you have on your website, you could add in here. So when I'm on this page here, and I could scroll through, I could find out whatever I need. So let's say, for example, I need them to do like an email. So let's just do email. And then here I'll type in your Notion email. It needs to be required. It needs to happen. So it's required. I'll hit done. And I also need them just to verify something. Let's just say I just need a checkbox. Ensure that you will not share this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but that's what it is. Okay. And then confirm. Something like that. Cool. This one also is required. And then I could do like a drop down for how did you hear about us or something like that. Let me see. Drop down right here. Cool. And then you just type out the options. So here is Google search. Cool. We'll just leave it at that. And this could be required or optional. I'm going to leave it as optional for now. We're good to go. So this is a preview of the form, what it looks like here. It'll say digital download at the top, and I'll have this. Once I hit save, boom, it's been added. Now, what's really cool about this is once you create this once, you could easily add this to any product on your store, the same exact form. And if you update the form for one product, it'll update it for all. The little bit of a nuance here is if you need it to change a little bit for every product, well, you just need to create a separate form for every product. So if I click edit again, it doesn't give you an option to duplicate a form. So you basically have to start from scratch if you need a second form that is just a little bit different. But for now, it's selected and I'll hit apply. Now, again, this is why I don't like the UI. It's like the darker gray, this hint of a darker gray shows it's selected. If I like click no form, that one's selected. It's just like really bad to know. It's really hard to understand what's happening. Anyway, I'll hit apply and then you'll see that it says enabled. So we know we're good to go. Then I'll hit save and let me show you how this looks. Cool. So I forget which one I did it for. I think I did it for this one. I'll click on that. As soon as I hit purchase, I hit the purchase feature with code for a different video. Let me just get rid of that. Yeah, you see it? It was there. I believe it's that. Yeah, perfect. So now when I hit add to cart, you'll see it pops up with the form. Cool, huh? Super simple setup, easy. They got to type in the specific things. Okay. Let's do that. Confirm. And then Google search, add to cart. Now it's been added. We're good to go. If I go to the cart, the user actually has the ability to go in here and hit it, edit details. So let's see. I don't know which one was added first. I would imagine that other one. So you could see here are the details showing up as well, which is really cool. It gives them full control. They could come in here and edit the details if they need to. But let me go back to the product and let's talk through a few things. Now, this is for every specific product on your store, so you have to do it individually. There is no way to do it where one order, say they're buying 3 things from your site, and as long as you get the info for one product, it's applicable to all 4, like, and they're 4 separate products. Well, you can't automate it. So you can't say like fill it out on one, but don't fill it out on the others. You would have to custom code that in some way or some form, but built in, that doesn't happen. If you need them just to fill out one form for like all your orders, anything they buy on your site, there's just one form for all of it. There's a different way to do it, and I'll show you that now. So if you go to commerce and then you go to checkout, in here at the very bottom, you'll find this page that says checkout page. Oh no, sorry, additional fields. So you'll click on that. There's some stuff here that's like built in, but checkout page, custom form, enable, edit the form. Now this is for anything on your site. It's one form for your checkout process, but everyone has to fill it out. So it's not just for like 2 products and not 2 products. Literally, it's for your entire store, your entire site, basically. So whatever you add here becomes required. I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Let's hit save, go back. Cool. All right, so I'll go to the cart. Once I'm in the cart, I'll hit checkout. Now I'm on the actual checkout page. And then here, when I'm going through the process, do you see this additional info? That is the information, that is the form, that is part of the checkout. So you could either have a form that's custom per product. It doesn't have to be for all products. You could do it for 1, you could do it for 5, you could do it for all. Does not matter. But if you do it here, it's for any purchase that's being made on your site. I hope that's clear because it's a little confusing. But this is for your entire site. If somebody purchases anything from your site and they're going through checkout, they will see this section here. So I just want to show you, if you do this as a custom form for a specific product, this is how it's going to show up in your email. So here's the order summary. They purchased 1 product, and I have 2 questions. I ask them about their Notion email, and then I ask them like, what's their favorite part? What are they expecting to get from this? And so those 2 questions there, they fill out, and it goes with the product. So if I have 5 products purchased, I'm going to get that custom form for each one. So that's how it shows up in your email. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.